Let's learn 10 Punjabi sentences that keep life moving. This is my 100 Punjabi Sentences series, and we're building your Punjabi one sentence at a time. Today's set helps you coordinate with people, so directions, timing, calls, and getting started. This one is a nice clean direction sentence for real life. Show me the way. Mainu raah dikhao. Mainu raah dikhao. I'm getting late. Mainu der hundi a. Mainu der hundi a. This one is short, direct, and very useful. Call me. Mainu phone karo. Say it with me. Mainu phone karo. Send me a message. Mainu message kar deo. Mainu message kar deo. We'll talk later. ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. A soft and friendly way to end a conversation without sounding abrupt. ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. This one is one of the most easiest time questions. If you want to ask somebody what the time is, just say, time ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋਇਆ? Time ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋਇਆ? You can also say, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਵਜੇ ਆ? ਕਿੰਨੇ ਵਜੇ ਆ? This one is great for trips, family plans, and group chats. When are we leaving? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਜਾਣਾ? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਜਾਣਾ? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਜਾਣਾ? Another very easy sentence and something you'll use on a daily basis. I'm ready. मैं तैयार ਹਾਂ. मैं तैयार ਹਾਂ. And this one is a perfect follow-up to the last sentence we just learned, which is, are you ready? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ? Let's start. चलो शुरू करिए. Say it with me. चलो शुरू करिए. चलो शुरू करिए. Let's do a little recap. मैनू राह दिखाओ. मैनू देर हुंदी आ. मैनू फोन करो. मैनू मैसेज कर दिओ. ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਟਾਈਮ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋਇਆ? or ਕਿੰਨੇ ਵਜੇ ਆ? ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ ਜਾਣਾ? ਮੈਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹਾਂ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੋ? चलो शुरू करिए. Say these with a bit of energy because these are action sentences, so your voice should sound alive. In the next video, we'll get into reactions, opinions, and lines that make you sound more expressive. Until then, take care. Sat Sri Akal ji.